Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on output for multiple logistic regression in JASP. As stated in the previous video, we will not be using the stepwise methods for multiple regression but the four-step tree method. The model summary table provides a quick summary of the regression model with the deviance, archaic information criteria or AIC, Bayesian information criteria or BIC, the degrees of freedom, chi-squared value, p-value, the r-squared value, which is the proportion of the total variance that is explained by the regression model. There are three pseudo r-squared values calculated in JASP. The one which is usually used is an Nagelkerk r-squared, which is bounded at 1. Values closer to 1 indicate that the specified model outperforms the null model. The coefficients table provides us with the regression coefficients, their standard errors, z-values, and the Wald test. The Wald test is used to evaluate the statistical significance of each coefficient in the model. The diagonal values in the confusion matrix shows the cases that the model has correctly identified, that is, true positives and true negatives, while the off-diagonal values are the cases where the model has predicted incorrect outcome, that is, false positives and false negatives. The performance metrics table provides the sensitivity, specificity, precision, area under the curve, and other metrics if you have checked in the input options. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video on plots.